Let's go, let's have fun, let's chill and laugh and move. All right, let's start. All right, let's go, let's shake it off. Okay, everybody, yaurana, and inhale. Exhale, yes, deep breathing. 2 more times. And one last. Awesome. Circle this side. And reverse. There we go. Bigger circles. We have a lot of people missing today. All right. And then we go side to side. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And hands up. And then to circle. And reverse. Woo! 2 last time. 1 last time. And reverse. Awesome. Everybody hip sensation. And reverse. Yes. There we go. Feet together. Knees and down. Open. Woo. Are we getting warmer? Yes. So happy Mama C is back. Mama C last 2 times. And last one. Awesome, everybody. Point flex. And rotate. Keep your balance. And reverse. Switch sides. And rotate. And reverse. Awesome. And tap. Ready? Each tap. 2. Yes. Add some groove. Awesome. Okay, hands. Up. 2 more times. Woo! And walking to the front. To the back. 3 more. Front. Back. Again. Front. Back. Last one, everybody. Front. Back. And stay. Woo! Are we getting over? Yes? Okay. Stay. Inhale. Exhale. Very fast. Inhale. Exhale. And you want to make sure to always bend your knees. Back straight. Yes. There we go. And we go down now. Right. Left. Make it round with your hips. Go. Right, left. Right, left. Round. Round. And we go. Right, left. Right, left. Round. Round. And we go. Right, left. Right, left. 1 circle. 2 circle. Front. Front. Twist. Twist. Feel my muscle. Back. Back. Right. Left. Faster. Front. 2, 3. Twist, twist, twist. Are you ready? Let's get started with the steps. So hands on the hips and we go feet together. Point your right foot, raise the hands up gracefully, and then we turn to the right and come back. Drop your hands gracefully and we go. Right foot forward, lean forward, touch your hands, drop. From here, I'm gonna go hop, sway the hips right, left, right, left. From here, I drop to the right and switch the hands. Hop, and I roll the hips. Ready? And we go 1 circle, 2 circles. Make sure to close your fingers. Very good. From here, I go forward and right hip, left hip, right hip, left hip. Go back and back. Graceful hands at all time. 2 steps to the right, move your hips. Extend your arm. 2 steps to the left. Sway and pose. Very good. Let's go. Let's get dancing.
Karingati manu, kariri narunga. Karingati manu, nutika inga. Guaririti manu narunga timuana. Akapui tirangi, kitia-tia. Karingati manu, kariri narunga. Karingati manu, nutika inga. Guaririti manu narunga timuana. Akapui tirangi, kitia-tia. Karingati manu, kariri narunga. Karingati manu, nutika inga. Guaririti manu narunga timuana. Akapui tirangi, kitia-tia. Karingati manu, kariri narunga. Karingati manu, nutika inga. Guaririti manu narunga timuana. Akapui tirangi, kitia-tia.